It's Friday, May 8th. In the headlines, government strengthening IP laws to protect brand Jamaica and boost innovation. Billionaire businessman Michael Lee Chin eyes major investments in St. Thomas. In business news, Exim Bank offers rebuilding support for business owners affected by Hurricane Melissa. Regionally, CARICOM election observation mission monitoring Bahamas polling concerns ahead of Election Day. And in sports, Reggae Girls captain Khadija Bunny Shaw reportedly set to leave Manchester City Women amid interest from several other clubs. This is the weekend news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.